Grouping. If you want to group an object, like this object, they are separate. You can carry them one after, you can see. Now you say undo. But if you want to group them together, you come to select object. You say select object. You click at this. You hold your shift key, you click at this. You hold your shift key, you click at this. Now you come to format. Now you will see group. You say group. Now you click out, click back, you see that the object is grouped together. So they are now one object. Grouping means making different objects to become one. So it's always a simple thing. Now let me change the color of this. You will see how this works now. Despite grouped, you could see I changed the color of this. Now the outline, remember, is still highlighted. Now this match. So it's a wonderful one. You could make a wonderful one. So that is called grouping. So making objects to look even as that. So if you want to ungroup, you just click, you click at the group, you say ungroup. Now you click out, you can see they are different objects. So that is how it works. You say your undo, or you just you click home to select back. You say select all objects. Select objects, I mean you draw, all the objects are highlighted. Now you come